In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with creating a new email campaign using Mailchimp. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just diving into the world of email marketing, navigating Mailchimp's platform can transform how you engage with your audience. So let's get familiar with the essential steps to set up a successful email campaign. To kick things off, you'll want to log into your Mailchimp account. If you're not already on the main dashboard, do keep in mind that this is your starting point. Once logged in, navigate your attention to the campaigns section. This is where the magic begins, as this section stores all the previous campaigns you've launched, and it's the very place you initiate new ones. With the campaign section open, you'll notice an option that reads Create Campaign. Go ahead and click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, you'll need to select Email. This choice starts you on the path toward crafting an impactful email communication with your subscribers. Once you're in the email campaign section, look to the left of the interface, where you'll find a menu option labeled Templates. Clicking on Templates grants you access to a treasure trove of design options, providing a key foundation for your email's appearance and layout. Here, you have the flexibility to browse through all the available templates that Mailchimp offers. These pre-designed layouts are great if you want to capitalize on expert design without reinventing the wheel. Additionally, if you've crafted or saved custom templates in the past, this is where you can revisit and utilize those designs. Choosing saved templates can save you time, especially if you're looking for consistency in branding and style across different campaigns. Now comes the creative part. You'll need to select a template that suits your current campaign's needs. This step is crucial because the right template can enhance the readability and appeal of your message. Take into consideration the type of content you'll be sharing and your brand's visual identity when picking a design. Once you've found a template that aligns with your goals, select it to start editing. Here's a little tip. Don't be overwhelmed by the myriad of options. You can always modify elements such as text, colors, and images to better reflect your brand. The editing section empowers you to tweak the content, ensuring your message resonates with your audience and represents your brand professionally. By following these straightforward instructions, you'll be well on your way to crafting